Understanding Hashimoto's. A journey with your loved one. Caring for a senior loved one with Hashimoto's thyroiditis is a journey of love and understanding. It requires patience, empathy, and a commitment to their well-being. This autoimmune disorder affects the thyroid gland, a small but mighty butterfly-shaped organ in the neck. When the immune system mistakenly attacks the thyroid, it can disrupt the production of essential hormones. This can lead to a cascade of symptoms that impact daily life. Remember, you're not alone in this. This guide is designed to provide information, support, and hope as you navigate this journey with your loved one. We will delve into the specifics of Hashimoto's, exploring its prevalence in seniors, the subtle signs and symptoms, and the importance of early diagnosis. Together, we will uncover the impact of this condition on daily life, addressing the physical and emotional challenges seniors may face. We will explore a holistic approach to management, combining conventional medical treatments with lifestyle modifications and alternative therapies. Most importantly, this guide emphasizes the power of compassion, urging you to create a supportive and nurturing environment for your loved one. With knowledge, empathy, and unwavering love, you can help your loved one live a fulfilling life despite Hashimoto's. The silent epidemic, Hashimoto's and aging. Hashimoto's thyroiditis is often called a silent epidemic, particularly among seniors. It affects millions of people worldwide, and its prevalence increases with age. Sadly, many seniors remain undiagnosed, their symptoms often mistaken for the natural consequences of aging. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes, and the thyroid gland is no exception. It may naturally produce fewer hormones, making seniors more susceptible to thyroid disorders like Hashimoto's. Additionally, the immune system can become less efficient with age, increasing the likelihood of autoimmune conditions. Early detection and treatment are crucial for managing Hashimoto's and preventing complications. By understanding the link between aging and this condition, we can raise awareness and encourage proactive healthcare measures for our senior loved ones. Recognizing the whispers. Symptoms in seniors. Recognizing the symptoms of Hashimoto's in seniors can be challenging, as they often mimic other age-related conditions. It's like trying to hear whispers in a crowded room. Fatigue, a common symptom, might be brushed off as simply slowing down with age. Weight gain, another hallmark of Hashimoto's, can be mistaken for a decrease in metabolism. Sensitivity to cold, even in mild temperatures, may be attributed to poor circulation. Cognitive changes such as difficulty concentrating or memory lapses can be mistaken for early signs of dementia. It's crucial to remember that these symptoms are not normal parts of aging. They are the body's way of signaling that something is amiss. By paying close attention to these subtle cues and seeking medical advice, we can help our loved ones receive timely diagnosis and care. Seeking answers, diagnosis, and testing. If you suspect your loved one might have Hashimoto's, seeking proper medical evaluation is essential. The journey begins with a conversation with their doctor, who will inquire about their medical history and symptoms. Blood tests play a vital role in diagnosing Hashimoto's. A thyroid panel measures the levels of various thyroid hormones, including thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, triiodothyronine, T3, and thyroxine, T4. In Hashimoto's, the TSH level is often elevated, while T3 and T4 levels may be low or within the normal range. Additionally, antibody tests are crucial for for confirming the diagnosis. These tests detect the presence of antibodies that attack the thyroid gland, a hallmark of this autoimmune disorder. Early diagnosis is crucial for effective management and can prevent complications. By working closely with their healthcare provider, seniors can receive personalized care tailored to their needs. Navigating daily life. The impact of Hashimoto's. Living with Hashimoto's can present various challenges in daily life, especially for seniors. The fatigue associated with this condition can make it difficult to engage in once enjoyable activities, leading to social withdrawal and feelings of isolation. Simple tasks such as preparing meals or getting dressed may become daunting. The emotional toll of Hashimoto's is significant. Mood swings, irritability, and even depression can arise from the hormonal imbalances caused by this condition. It's essential to create a supportive and understanding environment for your loved one. Encourage them to communicate their feelings openly and without judgment. Simple acts of kindness, such as assisting with daily chores or offering a listening ear, can make a world of difference. Restoring balanced treatment options for seniors. Treating Hashimoto's in seniors involves a multifaceted approach that addresses both the physical and emotional aspects of the condition. Hormone replacement therapy, typically with levothyroxine, often known as Synthroid, is often the cornerstone of treatment. This synthetic hormone helps to restore the body's thyroid hormone levels to a balanced state, alleviating many of the symptoms. Lifestyle modifications play a crucial role in managing Hashimoto's. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein provides essential nutrients to support thyroid function. Regular exercise, even gentle activities like walking, can improve energy levels and mood. A circle of support, compassion and understanding. Creating a circle of support is paramount for seniors with Hashimoto's. Family members, friends, and caregivers all play a vital role in providing emotional and practical assistance. Open communication is key. Encourage your loved one to express their feelings and concerns without fear of judgment. Listen attentively and validate their experiences. Educate yourself about Hashimoto's so you can better understand the challenges they face. Offer practical help when needed, such as assisting with errands, meal preparation, or transportation to medical appointments. Remember that even small gestures of kindness can make a world of difference. Consider joining a support group either online or in person, where you and your loved one can connect with others who understand the ups and downs of living with Hashimoto's. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Embracing resilience. Your strength, their strength. As you navigate the path of Hashimoto's with your loved one, remember that resilience is a powerful force. Encourage your loved one to focus on the positive aspects of their life and celebrate small victories. Remind them of their inner strength and their ability to overcome challenges. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude, appreciating the good moments and finding joy in everyday experiences. Remember that resilience is not about being strong all the time. It's about acknowledging difficulties while maintaining hope for a brighter future. By fostering resilience, you can empower your loved one to live a fulfilling life despite the challenges of Hashimoto's. A heartfelt promise. You are not alone. Caring for a loved one with Hashimoto's is a testament to the power of love and compassion. Remember that you are not alone in this journey. Reach out for support when you need it, whether from family, friends, or healthcare professionals. Celebrate the small victories and cherish the precious moments you share with your loved one. With knowledge, empathy, and unwavering love, you can navigate the path of Hashimoto's together, hand in hand.